Cheer now. Someday I telling you just cheer. Ah! Why away? To the traffic light. And we're seriously, everything's like slow. But this also is trying to eat the night. Wait! I can use this thing. Ah! No!
Jacob, ready to go?
Ah!
Jacob, look at me.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
No. Ow! Ow! I'm not the only one. You see the sea mystery. Wow! Hey, Dada!
You gotta go. Come on,
It's just a pain.
Jacob.
Okay, nobody else. I don't know. Bruh. Big trouble.
Are we done now?
Almost finished.
Almost finished?
We have been a little bit more of the breaking news. We are so excited. One day, one at the Target Starbucks shop.
No, we don't need no coffee today. Ready to go?
I'm a ghost light.
You almost done?
Good morning, ghost light. We're doing this thing. We did every day. Happy, nothing, fear die. I will pray the time once organized that. The every day. Ah! Wow.